SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Hi, I'm Matt from Solve Your Tech. In this video, we're going to show you 2 ways that you can switch between apps on your iPhone 13. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. Now let's check out the steps. The first method to switch apps on your iPhone 13 will work whether you're on the home screen or inside of an app. You just need to drag up and to the left from the bottom of the screen, and then you can tap on the app that you want to open. Again, that motion is up and to the left, and that brings up the app switcher, and then you can just tap on one of these apps here that you would like to open. The second method to switch apps on your iPhone 13 will require you to have an app open already. If you look at the bottom of your screen, you should see a horizontal bar. The color is going to vary depending on the background color of the app, but in the video right now, that bar is a dark gray color. To switch between apps, you simply need to swipe to the left or swipe to the right to view the app that was before the one that you're currently in. So you can just do this a few times and you'll see several different apps. And that's it. You'll find that this is actually a pretty easy way to navigate between apps, and once you familiarize yourself with it, it can be very quick.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.